Hello, I'm Sydney. Welcome to Romeos Air Conditioning and Refrigeration LLC, a professional air conditioner with many years of experience serving in Adelanto, California. Our company is locally known for providing cost-effective services of air conditioning, heating installation, refrigeration services, ducts cleaning, electrical services, and more. For the latest offers and promotions, follow us on our social media profiles. Call us at this number for a free estimate on your upcoming project. Thank you for watching our video and hope to talk to you soon.